What's up, y'all? I'm back again. If you don't know who I am, well, my name is Daisy, and today I'm gonna be doing a little makeup tutorial. It's gonna be like a little soft glam, you know, like my everyday makeup. Like I don't really do my makeup every day, but when I do my makeup, I usually always do it the same way. Sometimes I do it more dramatic than some days, you know, because special occasions or whatever. But today I'm gonna be just doing like a soft glam, like just simple, like, you know, my regular degular whatever. Alright, before I start, guys, let me show y'all. I'm obsessed with Spider-Man. I don't care what anybody says, I've been obsessed with him. And I literally got this coloring book, and I honestly like coloring. I've always loved coloring, and I did this. Yeah, I did it. Yep, $500. Who wants to buy it? No, I'm joking. That's art right there. Picasso. Ow! I'm gonna try to make this video 10 minutes long, so you know, I'm gonna try to be talkative or whatever. Oh. So honestly, the first thing I usually do, because I do have eyelash extensions, I like cleaning them, because if you know, you know, you gotta take care of your lashes. You gotta clean them and stuff so they last. And because if you don't wash them, they look a little like crusty. Like you can just tell that you don't wash your lashes, you know. So you got to wash them. So you shut the fuck up. I just hit myself. All right, shut the fuck up. I'm gonna shut up, okay? I'm sorry. Let's get to fucking cleaning my lashes. I'm gonna put this in fast forward or whatever. Oh, what the hell? Okay, y'all, I'm back from washing my lashes. Now what I usually do is I use the CeraVe. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's Sarah, not Sarah. What the fuck? Sarah? Just look at it, bitch. You read it. Read it. Okay. It's moisturizing cream. My skin is very motherfucking dry, so I usually like to put cream on my face before I put anything else. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is basically my primer. This is my primer, and in my world, this is my primer. Cream. Okay, I literally put too much, but alright, next I usually go with the Fit Me Maybelline, I was about to say concealer, foundation. I usually would use the Too Faced foundation, but I ran out and it's expensive. You know. So I just got this drugstore one, and it works the same. I like it. I mean, it's not bad. I'm gonna use it in the shade 112. My white ass, you already know. Alright, y'all, I'm just gonna apply it to my face like this. So usually when I apply foundation, I don't apply it to my nose. That's the only like part of my face that's not with foundation. But the only reason is because my nose is very dry. I'm not sure if it's because I got both sides pierced. But I don't usually put it on my nose. But recently I've started put it in on my nose, because I started to contour my nose. So it gives me more of like a sharper look with the foundation on my nose than without it. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean. But yeah, I started doing it and I kind of like it. But you know, usually I don't really do it, but today I'm going to do it just so you guys can see what I mean. I started doing my contour on my nose. I usually didn't do my contour on my nose, but now I do. And it turns out very, very, very nice. So honestly, I like it. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because if you're not subscribed, that's bogus, y'all. Help me out. Help me grow my channel, y'all. Comment down below anything. I'll be liking any comment. I swear to God, y'all. Oh, sorry guys, don't say that. I swear not to nothing. I was joking, y'all. I'm sorry. So y'all, I usually put my concealer, then I put my contour, but I've seen a lot of people that do like contour and concealer at the same time. So I'm gonna try that out and let's see how it is, you know. Let's see if I like it more. I want to do contour first. For contour I use the KKW Beauty, Kim Kardashian West, whatever her name is. You know who the fuck that is. Anyways, I'm using this contour, her contour kit. It comes with a highlight too, contour and highlight. I like the highlight. It's very bright, shine bright like a. Oh, this is like gaga, bro. Oh my god, I left my fingers all fucking gaga. Yeah, tell me why I went to go see the Barbie movie and I recorded a get ready with me on TikTok, y'all, and I totally forgot to put it in my drafts because I usually just left it like I left the app without like saving it to my drafts. If you know it, if you give me, you give me. And I went back to the app and it was not there no more. And I was like, because you know it usually says like, oh, continue recording, blah 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 blah. If you know, but it didn't say that. And I was like, bro, did I just freaking like lose my get ready with me to go see Barbie? And it was such a funny video too. I was so mad, y'all, but you know, I don't know what happened to that video, so I couldn't upload it. So I'm so mad. I literally wanted to get ready to fucking redo the video, but I was like, bro, there's no point. Like, that shit blew me, y'all. But okay, I forgot to say, I'm going in with the Tarte concealer in the shade 16N, Fair Light Neutral. And I'm gonna go in with this brush and I'm just gonna like apply it. Nah, yeah, but I really liked the Barbie movie. Did you guys like the Barbie movie? I liked it, honestly. At the beginning I was like, what the fuck is this? Like, this is kind of weird. But honestly, at the end I was like, okay, it's not a bad movie, because they had like a little, like, it was little, how do you say, exciting, like, you know, because they had to go whatever. I'm not trying to spoil it, guys, but it had a meaning too, like, you know. It wasn't just like a Barbie movie. It was meaningful. It's like about a message about girls in the world, how they feel. I don't know, y'all. If you know, you know. But honestly, I really like the movie. I like how they put Margaret as the, I think that's how you're saying her name. I don't know. I'm sorry, y'all. But I like how they. What the fuck is that? I really liked the freaking movie, y'all. It was a good movie. It was pretty funny. Not gonna lie. Cause I'm just Ken. Everywhere else I'd be a 10. He's dumb as hell. That song got stuck to my head though. Alright, y'all. Then I go on with this beauty blender and I blend it in, because the brush does not do the job. It's just to spread the concealer around, but this is to blend it, you know. Alright, y'all. Then I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild setting powder, translucent, what the hell? Translucent under my eyes. Alright, y'all, let me blend in my, I'm gonna blend in my contour now. Bro, there's girls that don't blend their freaking nose contour right. So blend it right. Blend it motherfucking right. Cause I hated seeing that in high school. Like, not even like on some bogus shit, but like, come on now, like, I don't know, man. But blend it. So now I'm gonna put the setting powder on my side of my, where I contoured, just like this. So I usually just brush it with a brush. Then I go in with my beauty blender and I tap it inside. Tap it inside. What? I blend the setting powder into my makeup or whatever you wanna, I guess, I don't know, however you wanna say it. And it kind of helps my makeup last longer. So that's a little tip if you didn't know. Okay, next I go in with my ColourPop blush in the shade Super Shock 221A4. It's nice. It smells like cherries, y'all. I swear it smells so good. I don't wanna eat it, but I can, you know. And I just, you feel me, you know, go around. It's very pigmented, so that's something I like. And then I just, you know, smile. And you just blend it, girl. Motivation. That's me right now trying to make these videos for y'all. Motivation is me being a motherfucking YouTube creator and having a fan base. That's my motivation right now. So please help me out, y'all. Like, I'll be consistent, you guys. If y'all just help me out with ideas, what y'all want to watch, comment down below what y'all want to watch. I just don't know what to really post, but help me out, y'all. I got y'all, and I'll be consistent. I'll try my best. Then, guys, I'm gonna go in with the KKW. This contour and highlight set. So it comes with a highlight set. So I'm gonna go in with the highlight. I'm gonna put it on the side of my cheeks, on top of my cheekbones, whatever, and on my nose, right here in my inner corner, you know. And y'all see that glow? Yup. Y'all see that? Yup. Okay, and then I just blend it in with my finger. Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see that glow? Okay, Kim Kardashian. Then we put it on our nose. What? You said something? What? Ya me creo. Alright, y'all, my camera's a little hot, so sorry for the angle, like it switched up or whatever, but it's because my ring light, I guess it makes my camera hot or whatever, but no, it's just me. Okay, y'all, so I overlined my lips. No, wait, overline? How do you say it? I lip lined my, what? I lined up my lips. Whatever. I put it around my lips. I kind of overlined up here, but it looks cute. It doesn't look too dramatic. Then we're gonna go in with our second darkest shade of brown, and it would be this one. And it's shade Nude Truffle. We're gonna go in with in the inside of our lip up here. Just a little bit, guys, and then we're gonna go in with another shade of brown. We were gonna have to go with, I don't know which one, y'all. We're gonna go in with this one. I don't know which one to go with, y'all. I'm gonna go in with this one. We're gonna go in with the inside again. We're gonna fill in the inside like right here. So we're gonna go in with this little pink shade. It's a little more pink, more than brown. It's pink. It's a very nice pink color. It's in the shade Nude Pink, and we're gonna do the little inside here. This is a very, very nice lip combination. We're gonna be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white, of course. Okay, y'all, just like this, you guys see the difference? My eyes just pop more. And then we're gonna go in with the Benefit They Are Real what is this, mascara, and we're gonna just do our under eyelashes, our bottom lashes, under lash. What? Let me shut up. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing my hair, you guys. Is this just like a makeup tutorial? Honestly, I did my makeup for nothing. I'm literally I'm going nowhere.
I ain't doing no verse quick.
Yup, yeah, I have no motherfucking friends. I wanted to drink. Yeah, I'm 22, y'all, shut up. I want to drink, but I don't have nobody that's down to drink with me, so I usually don't do anything to my eyebrows because they're already dark and they're shaped good. I just gotta get them done, but I don't do anything to my eyebrows. I just brush them, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so I went more for like a pink nude lip combo, and I think it came out good as fuck. Like, bitch, I want to go to the club now. But I'm not going to, because I have no fucking friends. But this is basically it, y'all. This is my makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Me feeling myself. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed. Thumbs up, y'all. Subscribe. I'm dead ass. I'm freaking dead ass. Like, help me out. Help me get 1K, please. Anyways, love y'all. Bye, honey bunches.